Now today I'm going to unbox some soap that I bought from Motor City Candleworks. Now the owner's name is Chris, and he also has a company called Motor City Incense. So let's see what we've got. Here it is. Let's open this up. Got some incense here, which I did not order, so that's a nice little bonus. Kalamazoo cucumber. Looks like there's about 7 sticks of incense in here. This one's called pine bark. Now normally this would have a label on it with the ingredients. He sent me that separately, so I don't have that on here right now. Here's my soap. This is a citrusy soap and it's called Monkey Farts. Let's check it out. Now Chris is using his great-grandmother's recipe, so this is a recipe that's been passed down for generations. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. Now for the rest of you nerds out here, I'm going to do this. You can see it's about 3 inches. Got a 3-inch block. That's a pretty decent size. Now I knew this was a more citrusy soap, that's why I ordered this one. This one is a more masculine smell. And this is a little more girly. It does smell kind of fruity. And this one smells more like maybe a men's aftershave, like maybe not quite sandalwood, but it's pretty good smell here. Now they do have seed oils in these soaps, but the rest of the ingredients are all clean. I'm a little iffy on the seed oils in the soaps, but so far it looks good. Let's try them out. Let's see if this lathers up. Yeah. Now Chris said Monkey Farts is absolutely their most popular soap. That's why I ordered it. I chose the other one, like I said, just because it was a more masculine scent. And I wanted to see what that one was like. But overall, I really like these soaps. I like the Monkey Farts the best, so I probably would order more of that. I'm going to provide the link to Motor City Candleworks. Shout out to Chris for the fantastic soaps. Try them out. See what you think.